Now, let's try it. In Academic Writing with AI Basics course, we want to make sure our student understands the foundations. Also, we want to give students an opportunity to develop a prompt to refine their paragraph. Let's try it. First, provide the following context, such as, I'm an ESL student, I'm doing an activity. Okay, here is the response. Now you can provide your paragraph, and this is my paragraph. And it gives some ideas, and I'll provide the following prompt and ask the evaluation for my prompt, and you can do the same. Students prompt and provide a constructive feedback. And here are some areas of improvement and strength, and you can refer to it to improve your prompt. In academic integrity lecture, the goal of interactive activity is to help a student first learn how to write a paragraph with the help of AI. Second, learn how to ensure academic integrity. Let's try it. First, develop a paragraph on the topic. Provide the following prompt and your paragraph, such as, I'd like to develop a paragraph on a topic. I want you to provide me relevant academic sources to improve my paragraph. And since it is acting as an English tutor, it gives some keywords that we can search for at Google Scholar or other credible sources. And we can use these sources and check the validity of the suggested search prompts because they are relevant to our topic. And third and fourth, we use the LLM to get feedback on your paragraph and revise your paragraph. And here is an updated paragraph on the topic. As you can see, I have added citation and I have a quick draft here. And it will provide us some feedback that you can refer to and make changes. And you can choose what feedback you will receive. And finally, submit a revised version of your paragraph for feedback. And I made some changes to my quick draft, such as possessive as well as citation style. And here we go. We have more feedback that we can refer to improve our paragraph. In cognitive uploading tool lecture, we want to ensure our student learn effective strategies to balance AI support with independent learning. Let's try it. First, develop a paragraph on a topic of your choice. Let's keep using the paragraph we've developed in the previous activity. Use the following prompt. Remember my paragraph. Do not respond. And here is the paragraph we've developed. Citation. And let's use the LLM second. Let's use the LLM to ask feedback for the lower level writing tasks, for example, grammar and vocabulary. Use the following prompt. And here we have provide me lower level writing task feedback for my paragraph. Sometimes we have to provide our paragraph again, and then here is go. Then I can do this in a way that I can just copy and paste it here. Yeah, so we have some feedback here, grammar check and academic word choice, and some examples. And also we can use the same strategy to get feedback for higher level writing tasks, such as organization ideas, and that we can use this prompt for that task. And now we have some higher level feedback as well, idea development, organization. And now fourth, revise your paragraph based on the feedback you received above. And here, and you can also ask the final evaluation of your paragraph. And here is my final revised paragraph with and evaluate it. And here you go. Okay. Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. In feedback pro lecture, we want students to learn how to find out when to rely on AI versus human feedback. Let's try it. First, provide a paragraph on a topic of your choice to an LLM for feedback. And we are going to use the paragraph we developed before and reflect on LLM feedback and see if you can find patterns. Right. Yeah, we also mentioned about citation. And second, let's speak out about our reflection and choose which feedback to accept or reject and revise your paragraph. If I can speak out the reflection I had based on everyone's feedback, I think there are some expressions that I find a little bit awkward, and also some maybe the where I can improve the citations and the style of referring to existing work and some transitions. And third and finally, submit the LLM's feedback. Submit the LLM for feedback. My reflection and the final paragraph. My reflection is for citations need improvements. My final paragraph is, so if I can just improve some awkward or use this it refers to forms of critical basis or fundamental two. I think I would like to use this maybe fundamental two. I think is more relevant to student success. That's something the awkward expression I can improve and also furthermore. So this type of transition and also according to the research I discusses the problem of citation. Evaluate my final paragraph. Election. Yeah, thank you. I hope you find this useful.